How to fix Watch Dogs 2 is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options in the general tab, you will need to add -dx11. Then go to install files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once it's completed, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your browser and you will need to look for the redistributables. So you can type in the search redistributable or check the description below for the link. Now you'll need to scroll down, and from this table here, you will need to download the 86 and the 64, both of these, and make sure to install them. This will require you to restart your computer once you're done. And the next step is to check if you have the latest GPU updates. So for example, if you're running NVIDIA, you will use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software. And from the drivers here, you will need to download and install the latest available driver update. And once you're done, all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run it as admin, and then launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.